नमस्कार पेरेंट्स। आज मैं स्कूल के कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स के डेवलपमेंटल बेनिफिट्स के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगी। हर स्कूल में, हर थेरेपी सेंटर्स में एक ग्रुप पार्टिसिपेशन ऑर्गेनाइज जरूर होता है। उसका कारण क्या है पेरेंट्स, मैं आपको उसके बारे में आज बताऊंगी। उसके मेनली 4 कारण हैं। सबसे पहला है सोशलाइजेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन। सोशलाइजेशन मीन्स व्हाट? बच्चे एक दूसरे के साथ मिलते हैं, बैठना, शेयरिंग, केयरिंग, बात करना। Children may be verbal, non-verbal. That does not matter. They may express through their body language. So socialization is very important. They practice verbal and non-verbal cues. Understand the instructions through movement and gestures. देख के सीख रहे हैं. Learn through modeling. Number 2 is speech and expression. बच्चे बोलना सीखते हैं. They learn to express. Now they have to express that they have to stand in a line. The teacher says up, hand up. They have to put hands up. Roll, 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 roll. They will roll. So they may not understand the verbs, the verbal cues, but they understand the gestures, the movement. They take the learning from their peers. That is modeling, imitation, isn't it? Third is, which is very important, is sensory adaptation and tolerance. In a program, they have music, loud music, the sound, noise, light, music. And above all, सबसे important है touch sensitivity in a crowd. The children have to perform on the stage. At the back, the backstage is another learning atmosphere. The space is less. They have to be ready for their turn. They cannot go out of their turn. Wait for their turn. प्यास लगी है, they have to control their self-regulation. So all these things help our children in their holistic development. And fourth is behavior and emotional modification of behavior. The children learn to be empathetic, दूसरों की मदद करना. जो बड़े बच्चे हैं वो छोटे बच्चों की कितनी बेहतरीन मदद करते हैं, मैं आपको आगे चल के वीडियोस में दिखाती हूँ. They learn to be take responsibility, responsible and be responsive. उस जिम्मेदारी को किस तरह से वो पूरा करते हैं. They wait for their turn and above all they have that joy of accomplishment कि आज हमने कुछ किया. The joy of performance. They gain confidence not only in speech but in performance. Oh yes, I can do it. So these small programs are setting a platform for our children to progress. Go ahead, watch the videos of these children, how well they are doing it, what are the various programs which have been put up for our children, and all these things are only possible when parents also take motivation, take guidance, take direction from here, and whatever way they can put it into practice at home. घर में किस तरह से चेंज करके हम इन चीजों को अपने बच्चों की रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में उतार सकते हैं. और ये छोटे छोटे कदम हमारे बच्चों को आगे बढ़ने के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. That's all for today, parents. Vijay Bhavo, Tatha Astu. Namaskar.
हमने कहा है जो